Hey guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. So next up in our how-to series, we've got how to change a mask strap. So this is a pretty useful skill to learn. If your mask strap breaks, you need to swap it over for a fresh new one, or if you want to fit something handy like a slap strap wrapper, just to stop it from sort of snagging in your hair, you have to undo these buckles and then you have to re-thread it. Also useful if you're fitting a snorkel to it, you have to undo the buckle and then re-thread that strap. So let's take a closer look at how to change a mask strap. Okay, so this is a pretty simple one and you don't really need any tools. At most you might need like a flathead screwdriver, or I often use a small Allen key, just something with a little hook, because some of the buckles, it can be a little bit fiddly to try and get kind of the end of the strap back out. But let's take a closer look. So all mask buckles are pretty much the same. They just have a slightly different mechanism, but the overall sort of task of doing it is all pretty much the same. So if we just take this one off, so you're going to pull out sort of the long section of that strap out of the retainer, undo the buckle, whether it's kind of a push button or sort of two bars in a mechanism, and then sort of pull that free. Then you can fit your snorkel, fit your slap strap, sort of whatever you want, or you can sort of swap it over for a completely new one. And then when you go to put the strap back on, the first one is that the teeth on the strap need to be facing inwards when you start off, and the retainer, you want the larger section sort of that's actually attached onto the strap. So they often have a large chamber and then a small chamber at the top. So you want the large chamber so it's a bit more free to float down at the bottom, attached to the base of the strap. So then all it basically is you feed the bottom section of the strap in through the underside of the mask buckle. You'll often have a little round sort of tumbler cylinder down on there. Open the mechanism to make your life a little bit easier, and then just kind of push until you grab something, or you've got something that you can grab hold of. This is where you might need that flathead screwdriver just to kind of fish it out and make it a little bit easier to grab hold of. Once you grab hold of it, just pull it. Sometimes they have a large lug right at the end, so it can be a bit hard, but trust me, just sort of keep on pulling and that will sort of go through the mechanism, and then pull that to your desired length, and then fit that final section through that retainer, and then just pull it until it's sort of exactly where you want it. So a real quick, easy process. You don't really need any tools, but if you do, at worst you need sort of a small Allen key or something just to fish it out. Most buckles are pretty much the same mechanism as well. Whether it's got a pinch clip or a button, you just feed it under that sort of cylinder, around back on itself, and that's it. Okay, so that was a quick look at how to change a mask strap, but let us know in the comments below what how-to you want next time. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.